And another fun day down here at the boat ramp as we get our first crew of the day coming in. It's been kind of a busy day down here at 79th. Going to be interesting to see what kind of action we get. And our first crew we got coming in, we got a pair of jet skis working their way down toward the end, which is where the jet ski docks are located down here. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. So our guy here is kind of trying to line it up at the end. And their other friend, oh, is he going to hit the dock? Nope, he's able to kind of keep it under control. And they're going in on two different docks, so I'm assuming they've got two separate trailers, but let's see what they wind up doing. So one of our crew is ready to get off. Our girl's got a hand on the dock. No lines really out yet as our guy's trying to get him set up. And she wisely sits back down as he's trying to get it together. So here we go. She's going to go standing up again, but that puts a little bit of unwanted stress on the ski, making it lean to the side as we see here. Oh, she's going to try and get up. So he's giving her a hand, it looks like, even too. Up. Not good. She's sliding off. No, not one leg on the dock, one leg on the ski. That one doesn't fare well. And now she's trying to drag him over. And he pushes her off and says, no, honey, you're going over. I'm not. And she winds up in the drink. And the friends on the other ski are laughing it up, having a good time with it. This is one of the reasons you always wait till there's a line on the ski and the dock. At least then you've only got so far you can go. If the line's there and it's tight enough, the ski might start to push out, but the line will eventually stop the spread and stop it from you actually winding up in the drink like we just saw our girl here do. So now her friend's there ready to help her off, but she's a little hesitant now to even try and get up. She's like, yeah, I think I'm good. I'm just going to sit here. Leave me alone. But good news is she's okay. And here we go. They're going to try it one more time. This time she's going to stay. There we go. Standing on the seat. Gets her the extra leverage she needs to go ahead and get up there. And our next crew's coming in on approach. Trying to get it lined up. So taking it easy as they approach toward the dock. It's weird, though, because it looks like they're going to one, which is a designated jet ski dock down here at 79th Street. So we'll see if somebody comes and says something to them. It's kind of the off time of year down here. During the summer, we typically have security and things rolling around in force, and they will push you off these docks. And he goes for the leap, but right now it's not been so bad. So he goes for the leap. He's got the line. Cap appears to be in gear, and it's not the forward gear, I'm guessing, but here we go. He's trying to bring him up and using his foot to try and keep the boat off the dock. So they're holding it off for some reason, and somebody's trying to give the guy on the dock some instruction. But now he's tying the line off on the end of the pole. I think there's too many captains in the boat, not enough helpers, because I think there's like 3 or 4 people trying to say something to him. And now he's going to pull it tight. That's going to kick the stern out. You don't want to do that. And so now they're struggling to figure out how to get the boat over here and onto the dock. So they're finally getting a stern line ready to be able to pull it over. Now Cap's backing out. He might have to let this line go if they keep going backwards. So, still moving backwards. He's still got the line for the moment, but I don't know for how much longer here. It's a pretty long line. Oh, now he's pulling, but they're still in reverse. So we've got the tug of war going on as he's trying to get him pulled back over. So Cap's finally back in gear toward the dock. And we've got the clothesline set up in case any of the skis want to try and go in between the boat and the dock. So is he wrapping it around the pole? Why? There's so much slack. I don't... So once again, somebody's yelling at him about something, but he looks like he's wrapping it around the pole, but that's not where you want to be with that much slack. He needs to still bring this line in. And it looks like that's what somebody told him as he took it off the pole. So now we're kind of at a stalemate here. He's just holding the line, but Cap's got to get this thing into forward gear and bring it back toward the dock. And again, we're pulling away from the dock. Now he needs to be careful. There is a jet ski, and we do have the clothesline engaged. So trying to pull it tight. Jet ski guy, you might want to get out of there. I don't know that I've ever seen somebody struggle this much with a dock in hand, or excuse me, a line in hand on the dock. I mean, this one should be pretty easy. You let the dude with the line pull you in, bro. But instead, they're fighting him the whole way with the motors. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me know in the comments. Am I missing something here on the way they should be doing this? And this is even a twin-engine boat, I believe. Which makes it easier. It should be easier. If he gets close to the dock, he can use the throttles just to kind of walk it backwards. Right toward the dock. And here we go, coming back in now. Little love tap with the bow. They'll kick it off. And we got our guy video calling on the phone in front of us. And they're still working on this. I thought they were on. Thought they were on, but I guess not. This is like, it's like almost controlled chaos because I don't know what's going on. There we go. We got two lines on the dock now, two people. You would figure they should be good from here. Was the other line not? I can't tell. For a minute there, I thought the other line wasn't attached, but it looks like it is. I don't like that plane either. 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the boat. We've already seen somebody go in the water from that one today. But our crew looks like they should be good to roll here. They're finally going to get it tied up. And he'll bring that bow tight, and they should be good to go. And speaking of good to go, I think we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at beautiful Haulover Inlet here in Miami. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.